أبدا أبدا وبينسى ويغفر إساءات ليفكرنا باللي
Meanwhile,
Ricocco, we got niggas coming up on us in our ass cheeks. What's up?
Don't worry about it, Gary. I got a plan. I got a plan. I got a situation. I know what we're going to, Gary. I got a plan. I know what we're going to do.
Well, a solution must be found quickly, Ricocco. The audacity of the situation must be severe for a life form of the assumed future to warn us.
Don't worry about it, Gary. I know a certain guy. I know a certain nigga who can get stuff done. I've known this guy for a long time, and he knows what he's doing. He can help us a lot, my dude. He will help us.
There will be a war.
Don't worry, Gary. I got this. Hello, Darnel. I've actually been calling you for quite a while, and I need your assistance because me and Gary have been discussing a rather pressing matter involving Becky. Some niggas trying to come up in our house. And they trying to bust up all our hoes. Like Gary over there, poor thing hasn't even gotten her first suck yet. That's a lie. She a nasty ass hoe. Fuck that nigga. And there's a lot of pussy involved in this sort of mission, and I hear you're quite versed in such matters. So, suck or no suck, Darnel? That is the true question. Glad to have you on board.
Feeling downtrodden, fresh kid turned rotten. I can't believe how naive that I've gotten. Over the years, seems like I'm getting dumber. Reminiscing to a time when I was younger with a hunger. Full of dreams, determination, self-esteem. But now it seems they hesitate to be on my team. You know the routine. When you win and they grinning, all up in your face like they was with you from the beginning. But on the flip side, when you watch them like a riptide, fools clown by, you slipped and let shit slide. Beside the fact, my voice is whack. Clowns just running around, talk about a smoke crack. Ain't got no homies that got my back. Yeah, I'm a brother, but sometimes I don't feel black. My girl is white, my game ain't tight. Niggas who ain't seen me in a while be like, dude.
Hello, Ricocco and Darnel. You do not know me, but I most certainly know you. Especially your work. I hate the both of you. You guys suck. You are the cancer of the internet and you are so cringy. You aren't even funny and you are wasting your time. This whole Becky thing is pointless and you should both go kill yourselves. You aren't even good at Counter-Strike.
Wait a minute! That's the nigga we're looking for!
It's very clear.
Yes, you little bitch!
that day Ricocco and Darnel defeated the Yellow Kun. They protected the Beckyverse and all its people. They told people not to fuck with Becky. Becky is all. Praise Becky. Even though they remained autistic, depressed, bitter and alone, they were still dead inside and numb to the pain that consumed them. Biding their existence trenched in misery and sadness, they continued to protect and upload the Beckyverse, for it is all that they have and will ever have. Existence is misery. Becky is refuge. Yos. Yos yos. Yas. Yas yas queen slay yos. Ya ass slay ae slay 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 yas slay yas yas.
Who am I kidding? Who am I fooling? When they be like, what's up, fat lip? And I say, coolin'. Who am I kidding? Who am I fooling? When they be like, what's up, fat lip? And I say, coolin'. Who am I kidding? Who am I fooling? When they be like, what's up, fat lip? And I say, coolin'. Who am I kidding? Who am I fooling? When they be like, what's up, fat